Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be making a Easter wreath. When I make my own stuff, and if you guys follow my blog, I always talk about trying to save money when I'm decorating or, making my own DIYs, because that's the whole point. You want to save money, right? To not pay full price of what is in the store, because if you go buy a wreath in the store, it's going to be a lot more expensive than what you spend, because these are just, actually I went to a thrift store and I got these for like 10 cents. I always look for clearance section, so check my blog. I do have a few tips there in my tutorials. So something that has saved me money and space and clutter free is actually, and it's so sad, but it's pulling apart the wreaths that I already made. So this is the last wreath I made. It was my Valentine's wreath. If you guys saw that video on my Instagram, it's on it's my sunny sweet home on Instagram. You'll see that I didn't hot glue anything. I would just insert all the flowers, and the reason behind it is because I pull it apart, and that gives me an opportunity to reuse these. So like, these are gorgeous, see, and they match perfectly with my sign, so I don't have to go back to the store and rebuy and rebuy. So it is sad to pull everything apart because it's so pretty. You take your time, but honestly, the picture, I have a picture already. So, and I don't know, you guys, I don't know about you guys, but I like to change up my decor. I don't like to have the same wreath every single Valentine's Day, for example. So I want to have different kinds. So in the long run, it doesn't really bother me, because then I get to be creative and create another one. Yeah. Anyways, I'll stop talking. Let's go ahead and get started with this wreath. And FYI, I don't have a plan. I just go with it. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
I'll give you something real. Show me what you really feel. Don't let time get away from us. Only got this moment now. Whole world in your eyes, and I feel your light like the first time. My soul in your hands. This is our one chance. Waiting my whole life. Just try tonight. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. See your light shine. Everything is alright, alright. We will be together tonight. Whole world in your eyes, and I feel your light at the first time. My soul in your hands. This is our one chance. Waiting your whole life.
Something a little more simple, you can just leave it like this, or you can continue adding more stuff, and that's what I'm going to do.
Bags are packed, are you ready to go? This time tomorrow we'll be on the road, riding with you in the sunny earth.